Happy morning, children. I'm Brunda ma'am, your science ma'am. Welcome to science class. I hope all of you fine. Okay, come and join my science class. Today, discuss about the topic measurement. All of you know day-to-day life. All of you using some measuring things. Example, write a pen. Some of the measuring tools. Scale, etc. A milkman measures the quality volume of milk before shielding it. All your regular activity, day-to-day life in very important for measuring. Okay. In this class, in deeper look at measurement. Before the started lesson, I asking few questions. What is physics? Very good. Yes, physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. Physics is considered as the base of all science subject. Okay, it is based on experimental observations. The principles and observations allow us to develop a deeper understanding of nature. Scientific theories are valued only if they are confirmed through various experiments. Theories in physics use many physical quantities that have to be measured. First questions. What is measurement? It is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Okay. Unknown quantity and standard quantity. Okay, length equal to 4 meter. Length equal to 4 meter. 4 magnitude values m simple of units. In this lesson, we will study about measuring in details. We will also study about accurate and precision, approximation and rounding off. Next one. Unit system. We need three things for a perfect measurement. They are an instrument. Next, standard quantity. Third one, acceptable units. All of you take your science book. இப்போ நம்ம சயின்ஸ் புக் எடுத்துக்குவோம். இப்போ இதனோட லென்த்தை நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். சரிங்களா? நீங்களும் உங்கள் சயின்ஸ் புக் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. அப்புறம் ரூலர் ஆஃப் த ஸ்கேலையும் புக்கையும் எடுத்துகிட்டு நம்ம இந்த ரெண்டு எட்ஜுக்கும் வச்சு பார்க்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அதனோட பிரெத் நம்ம இப்போ கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். சரிங்களா? இப்போ சயின்ஸ் புக்கோட லென்த்தை கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாம். இப்போ ஸ்கேலை வச்சு அந்த கார்னரோட எட்ஜில் அந்த ஜீரோலேருந்து கரெக்டாக கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும் கண்ணு. அந்த சென்டிமீட்டர் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த 0 சென்டிமீட்டர்லேருந்து லாஸ்ட்டு இந்த எட்ஜ் வரைக்கும் எத்தனை சென்டிமீட்டரில் இருக்குதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். இப்போ 7.4 இது அக்யூரேட் வேல்யூ. இப்போ நம்ம 8th சயின்ஸ் புக்கோட லென்த் 7.5. இப்போ இதனோட பிரெத் பார்க்குறோம். அதுவும் அதே மாதிரி தான் கரெக்டாக அக்யூரேட்டாக 0லேருந்து வச்சு 1.4 வருது. ஓகேவா? இப்படி தான் நம்ம இதனோட லென்த்தையும் பிரெத்தையும் நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். இப்போ நீங்கள் எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணுன்னா, உங்களோட புக்கோட லென்த்துக்கும் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட புக்கோட லென்த்துக்கும் இருக்கிற டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஒவ்வொன்றும் ஒவ்வொரு சென்டிமீட்டரில் இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், வேரியஸ் சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் யூனிட்ஸ். FPS system, foot for length, pound for mass and seconds for time. This system it has British system and CGS system and MKS system. Its system also metric system. Okay. CGS system centimeter for length, gram for mass and second for time. MKS system meter for length, kilogram for mass and second for a time. In earlier days, scientists performed their experiment and recorded the result in their own system. Due to lack of communication, they could not organize the experimental result of their and international system of units. 1960s in the 11th General Conference on Weight and Measured the Paris in France. Scientists regarding the need for using standard unit for physical quantities that was called as International System of Units and is popularly known as SI system, abbreviated from the France name System of International. Scientists choose 7 physical quantities as based quantities and defined the standard unit to measure each one. They are known as base units or fundamental units. Based units 7, derived units 22. Standard. Okay. Quantity, unit and symbols. Length. Length of the unit. Measure. Meter. Meter. Simple M. Mass. Kilogram. kg. Time. Second. S. Temperature. Kelvin. K. Electric current. Ampere. A. Amount of substance. Mole. Luminous intensity. Candela. CD. You have already studied about length, mass and time your lower classes. Now you are going to study about other basis quantities such as temperature, current, electric current, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Next one, temperature. Identified which of the following objects are hot and which of them are cold. Hot and cold object. We see a number of objects in our daily life. Some of them are cold and some of them are hot. Sometimes we may say that two objects are equally hot or equally cold, but there will be some difference in their hotness or coldness. How do you decide which is the hot and which is cooler? You need a reliable quantity to decide the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. That quantity is temperature. The temperature is a physical quantity that expresses the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. Heat energy given a substance will increase its temperature. Heat energy removed from a substance will lower its temperature. Temperature is defined as the measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a system. The SI units of temperature is Kelvin. Thermometers are used to measure the temperature directly. Useful to thermometers are calibrated with some standard scales. Most commonly used scale to measure temperature. Thank you, students. One small recap. Today, what is measurement? Comparing unknown quantity with standard quantity. Various system of units. FPS system, CGS system, MKS system, and understand the fundamental quantities and units. International System of Units. Then temperature. How to measure the temperature, hotness or coldness. Okay, students. Today finish the class. Tomorrow homework. You measure your height and weight. Then your hotness or coldness.